I beg the indulgence of this court. I'm hyperventilating because I'm very, very upset. I will leave this court immediately because I'm sure I have hypertension.
Nilahad naman po namin dito na maliwanag na habang hindi namin pwedeng panindigan na itong mga dokumento na ito ay totoo, ang pakiramdam namin, obligasyon namin na paabot namin ito sa kagalang-galang na Senado para po sa paggabay sa pag-issue ng subpoena.
Hindi mo pala alam kung ano yun eh. Bakit mo sisingilin kami na issue kami ng subpoena? Ano yun? That's only a scrap of paper. Why are you doing this to the court? Why didn't you go hit your Robux? So kung ano mga pinagsasabi nyo Ha? Say again? One, I heard someone who I cannot identify say something. Number two, I read it in the media. Now, it is my duty to bring it to the attention of the court. Duty my foot. It is not your duty. It is your liability. That is disgrace to the judicial system. Without more. Pwede na ba yun sa korte? Alam mo, source told us. So we're alleging it in our request for subpoena. Is that allowed? Can you allege something in open court or even in a written pleading with the court that you have information, but it is based on an anonymous source? My goodness, if you bring this to any trial judge in the entire country, particularly in Metro Manila, you'll be cited for contempt. Saan ka nakakita ng pleading na somebody anonymous said like this to us, so we're going to ask the court to do something? What kind of respect for the Supreme Court are you entertaining in your minds? This is a very, very strange, bizarre document. Paragraph 11. Moreover, it seems that the media itself also has information. Kailan naman ng judge pwede mong hikayatin o pwede mong pakiusapan na gumawa ng kung ano mga aksyon na gusto mo, issuance of a subpoena on the basis of a media account? My goodness! Is this government by media or is this judicial system by media? Again, this is a ground for contempt. If I were trial judge, I would say you're wasting my time. Sheriff, take him to city jail. Direct contempt yun eh. Pwede na pala ngayon, maski media ka, pwede mo nang i-narrate sa korte na hindi mo naintindihan kung tama yun, o totoo yun, o binigay yan ng PR, ng Dirty Tricks Department na kung sinong PR firm. Come on! Wake up! We all know how politics is done in this country. Just because you admit that this is a quasi-political proceeding does not mean that we can turn this into a completely political circus. May kaso dito Ay di kung ganun pala, if this is going to be trial by publicity, let us invoke the Constitution and ask for a change of venue. Perhaps out of the country.